You today how to embed Power BI dashboards and reports in Dynamics 365 HR. There are multiple ways to do this, and we are going to show it in different pages, on different modules, in different areas in Dynamics 365 HR. The first thing we need to do is, of course, go in our application. We are going to embed it first on the dashboard in the home area, and what we need to do is right-click here, tile container, add a page, click add a website, and in here we will name it Power BI Recruitment Dashboard. Recruitment. All right, we need the URL here. Therefore, we will go into our Power BI. In the Power BI, we will select our dashboard, the preferred dashboard we would like to share, and we'll click on File, then click on Embed, and we will get the following link. We copy this link necessary for our purpose. We copy paste it in here. We click Save. And once we do that, we will have our tile on the dashboard in Dynamics 365 HR. Once we click on this, of course, we will see the Power BI. We will be able to filter it. We will be able to drill down a bit into the data. And of course, we can add different pages to this dashboard, or for this dashboard. We will see it in different sheets in here. As you remember, so far we had only the possibility of visualizing some Power BI analytics which were embedded. We still don't have the possibility to modify those, but with this new feature, we are able to add Power BI according to our needs and according to the licenses given to the users and to their security role. Another way which I really like about embedding is this one. So we can embed it for the managers, for instance, not for everyone, and we can embed it on their employee self-service. We right-click here, or options, personalize this page, add an app, click on this, and then we will add the website, Power BI Dashboard. Click on the URL or paste the URL, save, close, and here you have it. Therefore, the managers can access their Power BI dashboards immediately and directly from the employee self-service. The third way that we're of adding or of embedding this application is here on the tiles, or near the tiles. I'll minimize the menu on the left-hand side. Right-click on Personalize. Personalize this page. I can add an app. Right-click it here. Again, website, Power BI Dashboard. Click Save, and our Power BI is automatically uploaded into and embedded into the employee self-service, but in another area, so they can scroll, of course, and see it in here. Okay, these are the three ways that I really like about embedding this application, embedding the Power BI dashboards. Of course, the Power BI dashboards have to be created by someone. The security roles have to be given. You can connect, of course, to different sources of data. So the data that you see in here are not coming only from HR, but they can come from different other applications. But it's a very attractive way of using and embedding and providing more features to your users, managers, or anyone that might need this kind of reporting. Stay tuned. We will learn in the next videos on how to embed other type of applications and where can we embed them.